You plug in your external drive, Windows reacts, you hear the sound, but when you open File Explorer, nothing. The drive is just not there. And here's the thing, if you open Device Manager, you'll see it. It's listed, it's working, Windows knows it exists, it just won't let you use it. This happened to me today. I have a portable SSD I use between a Mac and Windows. Works fine on the Mac, plug it into Windows, gone. The reason is almost embarrassingly simple. Windows didn't assign a drive letter to it. You know how your main drive is C, maybe you have a D. If a drive doesn't get a letter, it just doesn't show up, but the fix takes about 30 seconds, and it's really simple. Open the Start menu, type Disk Management. You'll see a result called Create and Format Hard Disk Partitions. Click that. Now here's where I ran into something. When I opened Disk Management, my drive wasn't showing at first. I had to unplug it and plug it back in. Then it appeared. So if the same thing happens to you, just do a quick plug out and plug back in. Once it shows up, you'll see all your drives and partitions listed. And look, there's your missing drive. It's healthy, it's formatted, but look at the other drives. They all have letters next to them, C, E, but yours has nothing. That's the problem. Right-click on that partition, select Change Drive Letter and Paths. Click Add, pick any letter from the drop-down. I'll just pick F. Click OK, and that's it. Open File Explorer. Your drive is right there. Now why did this happen? Honestly, it's just a Windows thing. Sometimes when a drive was used on another operating system, Windows sees it but doesn't assign a letter. It's not broken. It's not a drive issue. Windows just didn't bother, so your drive isn't broken. Windows just didn't give it a name. 30 seconds in disk management and you're back in business. If this helped, the like button is right there. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm 404 Found. See you in the next one.